Line a baking sheet with heavy-duty aluminum foil, parchment paper, and a few slices of bread. Lay the bacon out evenly on the air fry tray. Be sure not to overcrowd it. Using the air fry function, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Place the prepared baking sheet on the 5th position of the oven and the air fry tray in the 3rd position of the oven. Set the timer for your desired air fry time, anywhere from 8 to 14 minutes. Halfway through air frying, simultaneously pull out the air fry tray and the drip pan so you don't drip grease in the bottom of the oven. Flip or rotate the bacon so that it will cook evenly. Pieces on the edge may cook faster. Remove the bacon to a paper towel lined plate and allow it to cool. Store the bacon in an airtight container for up to 5 days. For more information on the Frigidaire Air Fry range and how to air fry, visit hollishomestead.com.